Are you looking for the best carpet cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best carpet cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Black+Decker Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Indoor pets can make a mess of your flooring or furniture, and this portable handheld cleaner from Black+Decker will give you an immediate fix when your pet decides to have an accident on your soft surfaces. You get rubberized bristles on this product that dig deep down into the carpet to help lift stains from the bottom out, and it can work well on tough odors, stains, pet hair, vomit, or urine without leaving a trace behind. You get powerful suction that ensures your soft surface isn't soaked once you use it, and you get a retractable handle with carpet-friendly wheels that allow you to easily move it from accident spot to spot without a huge hassle. You get a dual tank system on this portable handheld cleaner that keeps the clean and dirty water separate to ensure that you get a professional-grade clean when you use it, and it offers an impressive 1,200 watts of cleaning power. The hose folds up into the integrated area in front of the machine when you're not using it to make carrying or storing it an easy process, and there is also an integrated cord wrap to keep the power cord neatly wound until you need it again. At number 2. Bissell 1400B Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. Bissell's little green portable cleaner features a strong spray and powerful suction to help get down into embedded stains to lift them completely out of your carpeting so they don't resurface later, and the suction will pull most of the water back out of the area to leave it damp. This is a very compact model that you can use on large or small-scale messes with ease, and you get a larger 48-ounce tank capacity that allows you to clean for a decent amount of time between refills. The removable tanks make it easy to dump out the dirty water and add new to keep cleaning, and the transparent design allows you to keep an eye on your water reservoir so you don't run dry. There is a hydro rinse attachment on this product that makes maintenance easy, because it's easy to clean out the hose after every use with it to help prevent clogs or buildup that could negatively impact how your system works. You get a 3-inch tough stain tool that allows you to easily get right into the stained area without worrying about the space around it, and you get a trial-size spot and stain formula that can help kickstart your cleaning process as soon as you get it. At number 3. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush 2837. This Bissell cordless portable carpet cleaner comes specially designed to tackle small and large pet messes with ease, and it comes outfitted with a powerful rotating dirt lifter power brush that will rotate into whatever you put it on to break down the stain to the base area of your carpet and help lift it out. This product can work well on stairs, carpeting, upholstery, car interiors, area rugs, and other soft surfaces without causing any damage, and you get a powerful lithium-ion battery that gives you excellent stain-fighting power for an extended cleaning session. You get a stationary pet tool that will take on new or old pet messes, and it has an impressive 7.2 amp power rating. You get a formula that is ready to use without any additional mixing needed or water, and you can store it right in the machine between uses without clogging it, so it's ready to go wherever you are. This is a lightweight and compact device that is easy to carry from mess to mess, and it doesn't take up a huge amount of storage space when you're not using it. The clear brush area and reservoir allow you to keep a lookout for clogs or debris to help keep your machine in top shape, and Bissell will donate up to $10 per purchase to the Bissell Pet Foundation to help homeless pets. At number 4. Bissell SpotClean 2458 Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. You'll use the cleaning solution, deep brushing action, and powerful suction to get superior cleaning results on your soft surfaces with this handheld portable cleaner, and it'll dig down into the stain to remove stubborn pet hair, dirt, vomit, or urine stains from the area quickly and easily. You get a bigger 3/4 gallon tank that allows you to seamlessly clean a bigger area, or an older mess without having to stop multiple times to dump the water and refill it, and you get a stain trapper and a tough stain tool in each order to make it easier to take on a range of messes. The 22-foot hose and longer power cord help to extend your reach, and make it easier for you to get into hard-to-reach spots in your home to get a high-quality clean. This product comes with a trial-size bottle of Bissell Professional Pet Urine Eliminator Plus Oxy that will break down any pet stains and remove them, so your pet doesn't feel the urge to come back and mark the area again. Each purchase makes a donation to the Bissell Pet Foundation with the mission to help homeless pets, and you get a slightly larger and ergonomic handle at the top of the machine that makes it easy to pick up and move as you use it. At number 5. Black+Decker Spillbuster Portable Carpet Cleaner. This is another nice portable handheld carpet cleaner from Black+Decker that offers a wide nozzle and powerful suction to pick up chunky or wet messes without leaving residue behind or requiring multiple passes, and you get a powered scrub brush that will help lift any set-in stains out of your carpeting, upholstery, or rugs. You also get an easy-to-clean collection bowl that will fully open up to make it easy to get into clean and air dry between uses, and you can put the vacuum nozzle and collection bowl into the dishwasher on the top rack to clean it after you remove the foam filter. The built-in formula dispenser on this handheld carpet cleaner allows you to get the perfect mix of water and cleaning solution on every stain to maximize the cleaning potential, and you get a battery indicator that will let you know exactly how long you have left before you have to charge the unit. You can replace the filter and scrub brushes as necessary, and this is a very lightweight tool at just 5 pounds. So it's easy to pick up and take with you from stain to stain without experiencing user fatigue. At number 6. Bissell SpotClean 2694 Portable Spot Carpet Cleaner. The final product on our list is one that will permanently remove tough stains and spots while having a lightweight and portable design that makes it very easy to carry right to the area in question, and the tanks on this handheld carpet cleaner are very easy to empty or fill as you work. The compact design on this product makes it very easy to store between uses without taking up a huge amount of space, and it has heatwave technology built into it that helps ensure you get a constant water temperature throughout the cleaning process, and all you have to do is add hot tap water. The deep stain tool will work to dispense your formula deep into your carpets to break up stains at the lowest portions and lift it from the area, and the tough stain tool is versatile enough to quickly clean up a variety of surface messes. The Hydro Rinse is a self-cleaning tool that will allow you to quickly and easily rinse the hose out when you finish using it to get rid of any lingering odors, buildup, and pet hair to keep your machine running in top shape. The larger 37-ounce tank capacity allows you to tackle bigger problem areas without having to go back and repeatedly dump out the dirty water and refill it.